Friends, today I'll show you how you can make quick money with the help of AI. And for that, first of all, we have go straight to YouTube and check what we're gonna do and how people are earning from that idea and how people are creating millions of dollars by creating such videos. So friends, if we search here Pretty Kittens, if we search this channel, as you can see, just we have to search this channel, and as you can see that they have more than 2.33 million subscribers and they have only 519 videos, and these videos you can create in 10 minutes, more than 10 videos in 10 minutes, so you can easily create these kind of videos. And mostly these kind of channel are absolutely monetized, and you can easily monetize your channel by creating such videos. So first of all, if we check these videos and the views, you can see that the views across more than 50k, and even some videos touch more than millions of views. So if we check this one, let's check this one. And this is amazing. As you can see that the viewership, subscription, everything is just perfect, and they are making millions of dollars by using these type of videos. So friend, we can also do that, and this will take less than 10 minutes to create such videos. For that, first of all you have to do, you have to search Pinterest. And once you search Pinterest, all you have to do, just click the first link here, and you will be on the home page. You can log in by using your Gmail account, and now you can see that if you want any other character, you can search here. And right now, if we go with the cat and just search AI cats, and just search, you can do better search. They have different resolution, and you can pick up the best resolution one, so it will be viral. And as you can see, these kind of videos are most popular on TikTok and YouTube. So in order to do editing, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do right now, in order to download these and make it perfect for your own niche, all you have to do, just here you can see share option. Just click on the share and just copy the link here. And once you will copy the link here, all you have to do, just come to Google search, and all you have to search video downloader from Pinterest. And once you're done, you will see the link on top. Just click on this one, and after that, all you have to do, you have to paste the URL here, the link which you copied from Pinterest, and just click on download. And after that, you can see that we have an option for download. All you have to do, just click here, and there may be different advertisement. All you have to just cross that, and then here just click download here. As you can see that the video has been successfully downloaded. So after that, what you have to do, you have to go to whatever editing software you are using. Just you can upload the video on your video editing. Right now I'm going to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and once you here, you have to change some colors. And as you can see, there is a filter option, and you can change the filter, adjust color, and if you want, you can change background, and you can add background music, and you can also do voiceover. Once this will be done, all you have to do, you have to come back to YouTube and just upload your video on YouTube. This is how you can create your own videos with the help of AI. If you like this session, please share, subscribe DeepMind AI.